Hey, what's up guys? Techy here with another video. Today I am going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel intro like this using After Effects. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get notified when we upload an awesome new video like this. My like aim is 200. So like this video. And let's get started. Open After Effects. Click here to create a new composition. I will name it Logo Animation. Sorry for the misspelling. I am going for 1920 by 1080. Set the frame rate to 60 fps. Background color is set to black. Now click OK. Then right click here. Go to New, Solid. Then name it as the background. Its color is set to white. Now search for gradient in the effects panel. Drag and drop it to the background. I will change the color to my liking. You can change it as your likings. You can adjust these points also. Now I will import the logo of my channel. Now drag and drop it above the background. Now I will align it. Go to 1 second mark. Select the logo and press P on your keyboard to open position. Click here to add a keyframe. Now go to the beginning. Right click here, and go to columns, tick the switches. Now click here to make it 3D. Now drag this last value until your logo disappears. I want to come my logo through this D-pad, so I will adjust the position. Go forward some frames. And click here to add a keyframe. Go to somewhere like this. And adjust the second value to something like this. Now we have this little animation. Click 0 on your keyboard to preview. Now select all of these keyframes, right-click on them, go to Keyframe Assistant and ease them. Now open the graph editor and change the curve to something like this. In case your graph do not look like this, right-click and click on Edit Speed Graph. Now click here to go back. Now we have this little animation. Now deselect any selected layer. And grab the text tool. I will type in my channel's name like this. I will change the color to black, so that it matches to my aesthetics. Now I will increase the size. I will place it under the logo. Make sure you have no layers selected, and grab the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle to cover the text. Now click here, and select Alpha Matte. Now select the text layer and press P to open position. Adjust this second value to something like this. Click here to add a keyframe. Now go forward some frames and change the value till you can see your text properly. Now we have this animation. Preview the animation. Now select all keyframes, right-click on them and ease them. Now go to Graph Editor and change the curve to something like this. Now go to somewhere like this. And deselect any selected layer. Grab the text tool. I will type subscribe. Now grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this to cover the text. I will change the color to red. Now I will resize the text. Now select both layers, right-click on them and pre-compose them. Now adjust this to here. Now go to somewhere like this. And change this value. Now we have this animation. Then go to somewhere like this, select this and align it here. Now grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to cover this. I will change the color. Now click here and select Alpha Matte. Now select this and press P to open position. Now click here to add a keyframe. Now go to somewhere like this and adjust this value until subscribe text disappears. Now you have this animation. Then ease them. Go to Graph Editor and change the curve to something like this. Now let's add a cursor. I will import that. You can download this cursor with the link in the description. I will resize it. Let's animate it. Go to somewhere like this. Click here and press P to open position. Add a keyframe, go back some frames and place it here. Let's animate the click. Zoom in the timeline like this. Go forward some frames and press S to open scale. Add a keyframe. Go few frames forward and change the scale value to something like this. Then go forward a bit, and change the value like this. Adjust the keyframes to match the timing. Again open position, add a keyframe, go to somewhere like this and place it outside. Select all the keyframes and ease them. Go to Graph Editor and change the curve to something like this. Now let's add the subscribed button. Deselect any selected layer, grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. Grab the text tool and type subscribed. Change the color to white. Select both layers and pre-compose them. Place it under the cursor. Now go to somewhere like this and grab this bar like this. Now that button appears when it gets clicked. Now add hue saturation effect and decrease it. Now we have this animation. Check this out. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Click here to subscribe. Click here to watch how to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 in 500 megabytes. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye.